Now it's time for some magic again. Abracadabra, magic. Let's paint the lips. Oh, the bright red lips. Wow. Hello kiddos. Today we are going to draw 4 cute lipsticks. So let's get started.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love and
Do you put the lipstick on your Barbie doll?
I dropped it and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Soon we are going to use so many colors.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
I am drawing a flower here. And now a smiley. Now it's time to draw a star.
A tasket,
Guess what I am drawing?
green and yellow
Yes, it's a heart.
I wrote a letter
Now quickly
to my love
draw the
and on
outline
the way
so
I
that we can color
dropped it.
easily.
I dropped it and on the way I dropped it.
Now I am coloring the flower and now it's time for some magic. Abracadabra, shoo. Yes. Can you see the flower is spinning? Oh, the smiley and the stars are also moving and sparkling. The heart is also beating. Wow. Colored them.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Okay, now the lipsticks are ready to put on. Now it's time for some magic again. Abracadabra, magic. Let's paint the lips. Oh, the bright red lips. Wow. See you in the next video. Bye.